can wipe it on.
Well, that was pathetic compared to Josh's.
It's gonna run off my.
Oh, you can try and do that spit thing. Try and do that spit thing.
I need to leave. Make me laugh.
He's gonna rape her!
I didn't want that. It's disgusting. It's too much. Stop.
Well, I guess I should confess that I am starting to get old. All the latest music fads all pass me by and left me cold. All the kids are talking slang, I won't pretend to understand. All my friends are getting married, mortgages and pension plans, and it's obvious my angry adolescent days are done. And I'm happy and I'm settled in the person I've become, but that doesn't mean I'm settled up and sitting out the game.
Alex is gonna bop, apparently.
Some may change a lot, but some things they stay the same.
That was shit!
Let me try.
Oh my god!
That one will come in a minute.
And most of all, I will not grow up. I won't sit down and I won't shut up.
Let's squeak.
And most
got
of all,
that.
Oh, let's
I
squeeze.
won't grow up.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh! What the hell? What the hell, man? You just spat on me! Oh, you sound spit. That's Alex's cup. Was that it? That was the weirdest time I've ever heard.
That was disgusting. Tastes like vomit.
Recording it. Josh warming up for his burp.
Won't sit down,
Or just squeeze out.
won't shut up. Most of all,
Get your hands ready. You're like you're saying. Oh my god, Josh!
most of all,
That was crazy.
won't grow up.
Yeah, we missed that one.
And if all you ever do with your life
That was shit.
is just photos in thoughts.
Josh spit. Josh spit. Oh shit. Oh my god.
When you're gonna die. Now I'll play and you sing the perfect way for the evening to begin. Now I'll play and you sing the perfect way for the evening to begin. And I won't sit down and I won't shut up. And most of all, yeah, I won't grow up. And I won't sit down and I won't shut up. And most of all, I will not grow up. And I won't sit down and I won't shut up.
Okay, okay, okay.
What am I doing?
Where do you want, for God's sake?
Like, it's serious.
Where, dude? Where? Where?
Jade, I'm bored.